Stop wasting your money on disposable tech. You've seen the deals on Amazon, the flimsy plastic that ends up in a junk drawer by Tuesday. This is Tronify tech, and we've spent months testing the gear that actually matters. Today, we're looking at 25 gadgets that are currently vanishing from warehouses because they genuinely solve problems you didn't know you had. From AI chargers with personalities to travel gear that replaces your entire office, we're diving deep. Buckle up, your setup is about to evolve. Ugreen Uno Charger. Standard power bricks are boring, soulless cubes. The Ugreen Uno changes that by giving your desk a personality. This isn't just a 65-watt GaN fast charger, it's a tiny robot companion. The built-in LED screen uses robot emoji expressions to show you exactly how your devices are charging in real time. With 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A, it can juice up a MacBook Pro and an iPhone simultaneously. It's compact, incredibly smart, and brings a bit of joy to a mundane task. Seo's power bank with hotspot. The ultimate nightmare for any traveler is a dead battery and no Wi-Fi. Seos solved both with one device. This 20,000 mAh monster doesn't just fast charge your laptop at 65 watts, it's also a global 4G and 5G hotspot. It works in over 150 countries without the hassle of hunting for local SIM cards. You get a secure, private network for all your devices while keeping them powered all day. For digital nomads, this isn't an accessory, it's a survival tool. TP-Link A X1500 Wi-Fi 6 Travel Router Hotel Wi-Fi is notoriously slow and dangerously insecure. The TP-Link A X1500 is your personal security guard. Plug the hotel's Ethernet cable into this pocket-sized device, and it instantly broadcasts a private, encrypted Wi-Fi 6 network for all your gear. It supports speeds up to 1.5 gigabit per second and can handle dozens of devices at once. It's the easiest way to bypass device limits at hotels, while ensuring your data stays private and your streaming stays buffer-free. Sino XView M4 Selfie Monitor. If you've ever tried vlogging with your phone's front camera, you know the struggle. The quality is mediocre compared to the back lens. The Sino XView M4 is the ultimate fix. It's a magnetic, wireless secondary screen that snaps onto the back of your iPhone or Android. It mirrors your rear camera feed with ultra-low latency, so you can frame yourself perfectly while using your phone's best sensors. It even includes a remote shutter, making solo cinematic shoots effortless and professional. PhotoTag E-Ink Bluetooth Tracker. Standard trackers are hidden, but the PhotoTag wants to be seen. This is the world's first Bluetooth tracker featuring a customizable color e-ink display. Beyond supporting Apple's Find My and Android's network, it lets you upload photos or digital contact cards directly onto the tag. If you lose your luggage, anyone who finds it can see your info instantly on the screen. No scanning required. It's waterproof, lasts 10 months on one battery, and turns a boring utility into a personalized accessory. EMEET Meeting Capsule. Hybrid meetings often feel disconnected for remote workers, but the EMEET Meeting Capsule bridges that gap. This 360-degree AI camera sits in the center of the table and automatically tracks whoever is speaking. With an 8-microphone array and a high-fidelity speaker, it captures every voice in the room while filtering out background noise. It features 5 different video modes, including a collaboration mode that shows a panoramic view plus individual close-ups. It's like having a professional camera crew for your conference room. KeySmart Max. If your keychain sounds like a janitor's ring and scratches your phone in your pocket, you need to upgrade to the KeySmart Max. This aircraft-grade aluminum organizer turns a messy bundle into a sleek, silent stack of up to 14 keys. It features built-in tile tracking, so you can locate your lost keys on a map or make them ring. It even works in reverse to find your phone. With a 50-lumen flashlight and a multi-tool included, it's the ultimate everyday carry. Orzen Zip Trifold DLP Projector. The Orzen Zip is basically origami for movie lovers. It's the world's first trifold DLP projector that folds down to the size of a wallet. Unlike bulky projectors, its Z-shaped design acts as its own adjustable stand, allowing you to project onto the ceiling or floor without extra mounts. It features zero-lag TOF autofocus and a unique vertical mode specifically for watching TikToks or Reels in full screen. With a built-in battery and Wi-Fi free mirroring, it's a cinematic powerhouse that fits in your pocket. FNIRSI HS02A portable soldering iron. Throw away that ancient corded soldering iron that takes 10 minutes to heat up. The FNIRSI HS02A is a smart 100-watt precision tool that hits working temperature in just 3 seconds. Powered via USB-C, it features a crisp 0.96-inch IPS color screen that shows real-time wattage and temperature accuracy. Whether you're fixing a drone at the park or repairing a circuit board at your desk, its ergonomic design and induction sleep mode make professional-grade repairs safer and faster than ever before. Govee Tree Floor Lamp. Most lamps just sit in a corner, but the Govee tree floor lamp is a sculptural light show. It features 3 independently adjustable heads that rotate 350 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically, allowing you to light a book, a plant, and a wall simultaneously. Using RGBICW technology, it pumps out 1,500 lumens of ultra-vivid color or crisp adjustable white light. It's Matter compatible, meaning it integrates perfectly with Alexa or Google Home to sync with your music or movies for a truly immersive room upgrade. Eggoot Desk Vacuum Cleaner. Your keyboard is likely a magnet for dust and crumbs, but the Eggoot Desk Vacuum is the stylish solution. This pocket-sized cleaner packs a surprising 1,300 pascal of suction power, enough to lift stubborn debris without making more noise than a whisper. It's cordless, USB rechargeable, and features a 360-degree spiral wind blade to capture particles from every angle. It's about the size of a computer mouse, making it easy to store in a drawer or take on the go to keep your setup pristine. Samsers Folding Keyboard. Stop struggling with cramped glass screens. The Samsers folding keyboard is a pocket-sized powerhouse that unfolds into a near-standard-sized workspace. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's incredibly durable, yet lightweight enough for any bag. It features a responsive multi-touch touchpad, eliminating the need for a separate mouse. With 48 hours of continuous use on a single charge and seamless switching between iOS, Android, and Windows, it turns any coffee shop table into a high-performance office in seconds. Ferrofluid Bluetooth speaker. Most speakers are just for your ears, but the Ferrofluid Bluetooth speaker is a visual masterpiece for your eyes. Inside its sleek glass chamber is a blob of black magnetic fluid, the same substance NASA used for rocket fuel. As your music plays, this living liquid dances, morphs, and spikes in perfect synchronization with the bass and rhythm. It delivers rich 360-degree audio, but the real draw is the hypnotic, alien-like movements illuminated by customizable backlighting. It's the ultimate desk flex for 2026. CodeDot Maker Device. If you're a tinkerer or a developer, the CodeDot is essentially a Swiss Army knife for electronics. Powered by the ESP32S3, this pocket-sized lab integrates a 2.1-inch AMOLED touchscreen, 9-axis motion sensors, a microphone, and a speaker into one rugged shell. It features a unique app system that lets you store and run different coding projects from a micro SD card without reflashing. Whether you're building a voice assistant, a Wi-Fi scanner, or a retro gaming console, it replaces a desk full of messy wires. CorePlus pocket-size power bank. The CorePlus is the first infinite power station that actually fits in your pocket. This 27,000 milliamp-hour monster features a revolutionary swappable battery system, letting you slide in a fresh cell in seconds. It's packed with a 200-watt AC outlet for laptops or small appliances, triple 140-watt USB-C ports, and even integrated wireless pads for your phone and Apple Watch. Despite its massive power, it's TSA approved and built with a smart OLED display to monitor every watt. It's the last battery you'll ever need. Evebot Food Grade Portable Print Pen. But the Evebot print pen turns any surface, including your food, into a canvas. This handheld inkjet uses certified food-grade ink to print logos, greetings, or custom art directly onto coffee foam, cookies, or even toast. It's incredibly simple to use. Just upload your design via the app and slide the pen across the surface. Whether you're personalizing a party or branding your latte art, this gadget brings a futuristic, professional touch to your kitchen. Nebula Capsule 3 Laser Projector. The Nebula Capsule 3 laser is essentially a high-end cinema packed into a soda can. By upgrading to laser technology, it delivers 300 ANSI lumens of brightness and 1080p resolution that remains crisp even on a 120-inch screen. It runs Google TV natively, so you can stream Netflix and YouTube without extra dongles. With its 8-watt Dolby Digital speaker and a battery that lasts for a full movie, it's the ultimate portable theater for backyard nights or camping trips under the stars. Govee Neon Light Strip. If you want that futuristic cyberpunk aesthetic, the Govee Neon Light Strip is the gold standard. Unlike cheap LED strips where you see individual dots, this is a smooth, continuous, diffuse light that mimics real neon. It's highly flexible, allowing you to bend it into custom shapes or letters on your wall. With RGBIC technology, it can display multiple colors simultaneously in flowing gradients. It even features a music sync mode that turns your room into a dynamic visualizer for your favorite tracks. Levitating bulb lamp. Standard desk lamps are static and predictable, but this levitating bulb lamp defies the laws of physics. Using powerful electromagnetic induction, the Edison-style bulb hovers in mid-air with zero physical contact to its base. It doesn't just float, it slowly rotates, casting a warm, vintage glow that makes your setup look like it belongs in a sci-fi film. If the power goes out, the safety magnets instantly snap the bulb upward to the base, preventing it from crashing and breaking. Zera Max too wearable. AC personal climate control is no longer a luxury. It's a wearable necessity. The ZeraMax 2 is a dual-purpose AI neck conditioner that provides instant cooling or soothing warmth at the touch of a button. It features ThermTech sensors that automatically adjust the temperature based on your body heat, ensuring all-day comfort without draining the battery. Whether you're commuting in a heat wave or working in a frigid office, its ergonomic, lightweight design keeps you in your personal Goldilocks zone for hours. XView ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. Your rings, glasses, and watch straps collect microscopic grime that manual scrubbing simply can't reach. The XView cleaner uses 48,000 Hz ultrasonic sound waves to create millions of tiny bubbles that blast away dirt and oils from the tightest crevices. With a professional-grade 304 stainless steel tank and 2 cleaning modes, quick and deep, it restores the original brilliance of your valuables using just tap water. It's quiet, compact, and essential for anyone who wants their gear to look brand new every day. MetaQuest 3S. If you've been waiting for the right moment to jump into virtual reality, the MetaQuest 3S is your entry ticket. It packs the same high-end Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor as the flagship Quest 3, but at a fraction of the cost. You get full-color mixed reality pass-through, allowing you to blend digital games with your actual living room. It's completely wireless, supports thousands of apps, and even includes the updated Touch Plus controllers for pinpoint precision, without the bulky tracking rings. Nelco P21. Label maker organization shouldn't require a bulky machine and expensive ink. The Nelco P21 is a pocket-sized thermal printer that connects instantly to your phone via Bluetooth. Using the intuitive app, you can design custom labels with over 90 fonts, icons, and even QR codes. Because it uses heat instead of ink, you never have to worry about refills. From organizing your pantry to labeling office cables, this rechargeable powerhouse makes professional-grade organization fast, satisfying, and completely portable. Next Mug self-heating coffee mug. There is nothing worse than a lukewarm cup of coffee, but the Next Mug ensures your last sip is as hot as your first. This 14-ounce smart mug features a built-in heater and sensors that maintain your drink at the exact temperature you choose, warm, hot, or piping. It requires no complicated apps or pairing, just a single button on the handle. With a sleek ceramic matte finish and a long-lasting battery, it's the ultimate desk companion for anyone who takes their caffeine seriously. Lyson MagSafe Anywhere Mount. Most phone mounts are permanent fixtures, but the Lyson MagSafe Anywhere Mount is a tactical tool for your digital life. Using high-grade N55 magnets, it snaps onto your iPhone in 0.1 seconds. The unique claw grip base doesn't use sticky residue. It clamps onto airplane tray tables, treadmill handles, or desk edges with industrial strength. Whether you're recording a gym set or watching a movie at 30,000 feet, this all-metal 360-degree rotatable stand ensures your screen is always at the perfect angle. There you have it, 25 viral tech gadgets that are actually worth the hype in 2026. Every single one of these items is linked in the description below, numbered 1 through 25, so you can skip the search and get straight to the upgrades. If this video helped you find your next desk essential or travel hack, do us a favor and smash that like button. It's the best way to support Tronify Tech. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a deep dive into the future of tech. We'll see you in the next one.